Ine ilong kami napok kari Uganda ilakha haduh sapu samut kikun. Nrai nakine ki sapu samut. Nrai mut na pedeng jongki kilaklat no nakane ke pyrthei. Ine ilong kami ilakha kikun senrap haduh sausin. Bat hadin kata ilakwa banpak penduk kuno. Nrai habaki doktor kilalek ya kites. Kila ya tu ya i ba idan ke jing syong per hakamet ke jong i. Bat kalom ke bama ya i lada i penduk kuno. Hadin saujur ba ikai ki kun senrap jong i. Ilakha sasan ngut. Hakajuk kapor. Bat kene kalajia haduh arsin. Ba in kaya ki kun haduh sangut hakajuk kapor. Om tang kata. Hadin kene ilakha saya ki triplet pada haduh sansin. Kabamut ilakha haduh laimut ki kun ki bawanda ka kanhun siya kene ke pyrthei. Sausin ilakha kum ki twins ne ki kun senrap. Sansin kum ki triplet ne ki kun ki badan laimut hakajuk kapor. Laisin kum ki quintuplet ki balakha sanut hakajuk kapor. Bat ya ki katwe ngut pat. Lakha tang iway sisinka. Ine ilong kami walada ibun ki kun haduk kane. Bat wat hapreng ke jingduk bat jingkerdu ila besar bat rihi ila ki jong ki kun. Ila itu baka sisni isyat kumba arpu ar kilo ukau. Nyau kilo udai bat ar kilo siteng ke sini. Itrehi daki kamret bat isyong dukan mensi. Ine ilong kami idang dan tang lai pu prasnam. Bat lek se idang la syuk-syuk ban kha kun biang. Ngitip bakari Afrika kedai keri ke beduk. Bat ine ilong kemiru i im haka jingduk. Ban ila yatu ba ila tray sitam kat ka ba ila. Da ka ba tray langkha men step. Bat syong dukan mensi. Ila yatu ba ila Christian school hidalade yaki kun jung i baro. Lek se ine ilong kemi. Indai i briew bak bun kun tam na plengki kentai hakane ke pyrthei.
Had my mother not left me, my father would not have married me off young. To the men, please shoulder your responsibilities. Don't leave it to the women. A man puts up a shop for you and they imagine all is sorted. No buying anything anymore at home. You forced us to become like men. We claim your status as men. Show us love and let us do our responsibilities.
It's hard to hold back my own tears knowing so many examples of what she's referring to. Mariam only sleeps for a maximum of 5 hours a day. The rest of her day is dedicated to the children. It would have been good to know what her neighbors make of her, but time wasn't on my side. But don't be surprised if she's declared the woman with the most number of children in the world from one man. Kasim Kaira, Azam News. Welcome to Kasao, Nkoro district in central Uganda. Here, Mariam Nabatanzi is like any other woman if you walked past her. But get to her home and you may be forgiven for thinking this is the boarding section of a school. Nabatanzi is 39 years old and has mothered 44 children already. 38 are alive today. You heard right, 44 children, all delivered normally. Everything here is done massively with near military precision. 22 kilograms of maize or corn flour, 7 kilograms of beans, 2.5 kilograms of sugar. That's the daily feed for this humongous family. I lost count of how many breads they ate.